Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the founder and president of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also a scientist and an inventor and a mother, and I do other things. I want to talk to you guys today about some of those things that I do. When I develop patents, I also develop trade secrets, and I work on these things to really provide better solutions for the world. I'll be teaching some of this information at Rahm Thomas University and at the International Science Nutrition Society. But I want to talk a little bit today, and I want to read a little bit today about one of the patents that is particularly important to me, because I wrote patents back in 2016 that I felt like did a phenomenal job at addressing environmental, human, and animal detoxification. But I wasn't done yet. They weren't good enough. I wanted to add additional information and make it even better. So the formulas that I have today at Rahm Thomas University and at the Root Brands and the other companies are formulas that I have really progressed since my education at Harvard and at Cornell. It took me going back to school numerous times to numerous universities to understand how I could perfect certain processes that I was working on in the lab and in manufacturing. So I want to read a little bit to you about what I've done. Water-soluble, electrolyzed, solubilized silicon dioxide fragments and nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, and environmental products based thereon is the title of this patent. This is about silicon dioxide, also known as silica, and I looked at the various attempts that have been made, including my own, throughout the years, to really use different types of orthosilic acid to help the environment, because we know it can detox the land, air, and water. We do understand there's been different types of things like zeolites used and Kleno to really detox nuclear waste. But I really wanted to use a different method where it would be more bioavailable, more efficacious, and safer. So I was able to create different silicon dioxide formulations that could really help with the process. I did use partially hydrolyzed solutions as well, which I know other scientists have done, but I used a solventized electrolyzed system that I incorporated into this so I could have further energy at really helping our world evolve and be a better place. See, we're composed of energy. We have our DNA, but we're really this light ball of energy, and we share it with everything. We share our DNA with even a leaf on a tree, but we share our energy every time we enter a room, or even when we're on a phone call. Our cells talk. It was really important to me that our land, air, and water could talk in a healthier way, and we could too, as well as our animals. These particular patents and trade secrets are very important to me, as my aim is to really detoxify and clean this world. People think that global warming is not real. People think that we're healthy and that the current pandemic was not real as well. I'm here to tell you that all these things actually have happened, and they're not going to stop, because we have polluted our world, so now it's time for us to clean it up. We don't have to be scared. We don't have to live in chaos. We have to provide various solutions to make our world a better place. This is what we will be teaching at Rahm University. This is our platform at the Root Brands, as well as DRC Ventures. We know how important it is to protect our land, air, and water. We know how important it is to protect our animals and to protect our own bodies. It has to start with us. We have to provide solutions, and these patents that I have filed and the trade secrets surrounding them are very important for our future.